Hello friends, welcome to TechStudyCell. In this video, we will make an IoT based smart switch using this tiny circuit which you can easily purchase from the Amazon under 200 rupees. Here you can see I have placed the circuit inside a switch box. Now if the ESP01 is connected with the Wi-Fi, you can control any appliances through internet using the Blynk IoT app, and if the Wi-Fi is not available, still you can control the appliances manually with the switch. You can also add automation in the Blynk to control the appliances automatically as per the predefined time. And if you want, you can also use IFTTT to connect Google Assistant Alexa to control the appliances. During the video, I have explained the circuit, source code, so after watching the video, anyone can make this project, and you can also design this type of PCB to add more features to the circuit using Altium PCB Designer software. Now Altium came up with an amazing product called Altium 365. Altium 365 is an electronic product design platform that unites PCB design, MCAD, data management and teamwork. So with Altium 365, you can not only design PCBs, but you can also share your projects to your teammates for review. The mechanical team can also access the PCB files so they can parallelly work on the mechanical product package based on your PCB design. And there is no chance of losing design data with the automatic backup and centralized cloud storage. It also helps you to manage your components and get real-time supply chain data for all the components. It also allows multiple people to work on a single project, and finally you can send your product to manufacturing with a single click. Altium 365 automates all of these tasks for you so that you can focus on making something creative and useful. And now you can download the free trial version of the Altium PCB Designer software from the video description. These are the required components for this project. To program the ESP01, you can either use FTDI232 or you can also use Arduino Uno. Here we are going to use FTDI232. So first we have to select the 3.3 volt for VCC. Now we will connect the FTDI232 with the ESP01 as per this circuit diagram. In the circuit, I have connected the GPIO 0 with ground. Now after giving the supply, you have to press the reset button. Then it will go to programming mode. I have already covered this in my previous video. You can find the link in the I button and description. And if you want to use Arduino, then you can refer to this circuit. Before programming the ESP01, we have to configure the Blynk cloud. So first let me open the Blynk account. First we will create a template. So let me click on template. Then I will click on new template. Here I will give the name ESP01 relay. In the hardware I will select ESP8266. Connection type will be Wi-Fi. Click on done. Now I will go to data stream. Then click on new data stream. Select virtual pin. I will give the name switch 1. You can give any name. In the pin I will select V1. Data type will be integer. Then minimum value will be 0, maximum value will be 1 and default value will be 0. Now I will click on create. Then I will go to web dashboard and here I will drag and drop one switch widget and select the data stream V1. Then I will save it. Now I will go to automation and again here I will select the type of automation as switch and turn on these two radio button. Now after doing all these steps, I will save the template. Now we will quickly add the device. So I will click here, then click on new device, then select from template. Here I have to select the template. You can also give the device name if you want. I am keeping as it is. Now click on create. Now let me go to device info and here you will find all the details required for coding. This is the source code for this project. You can download the code from our website iotcircuithub.com. Just visit the article. You can find a link in the description. Then you can download the code from this button. Now let me open the code. For this project, you have to install the ESP8266 board and Blynk library in Arduino IDE. Then we have to enter the Blynk template ID and other details. So I will go to Blynk account. Then click here to copy all these details. Then here I will paste it. Then here I have to enter the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password. Then in the relay pin, I have selected GPIO 0 and I have selected the V1 virtual pin. So if you go through the code, you can easily understand the code is very simple. In the void loop, I have added this if block. If the ESP01 is not connected with the Blynk cloud, then it will turn off the relay so that you can control the relay from the manual switch. Now after doing these changes, you can directly upload the code. Just go to tools, select the generic ESP8266 module board, then select the proper port, then hit the upload button. After programming, I will connect the ESP01 with the relay module. Now here you can see I have connected this lamp and switch with the relay module as per this circuit. Now let me turn on the supply. Now as this switch is connected in parallel with the relay, so I can always control the lights from this switch. Now we will configure the Blynk app. So let me open the Blynk IoT app, then tap on ESP01 relay, go to setting, then I will tap on this plus icon, add a button widget, then tap on the widget, and here I will select the data stream B1, then mode will be switch. Now I will exit from the widget, then exit from the setting mode. Now if I tap on this button, the relay turns on. If I tap again, the relay turns off. Now I will add an automation to control this relay automatically. So I will go to Blynk automation, then tap on add automation, select schedule. Here I will select the time 6:47, then tap on OK. Now if you want to run this automation just once, then turn it on. Otherwise you can select the date. I will turn it on, then tap on done. Now here I will add the action, select control device, select the data stream switch 1. Now I want at 47 the relay should turn on, so I will turn on this radio button. Now I will tap on done. So our automation is ready. If you want, you can also give the name to this automation. You can give any name. Now I will tap on done. So currently it is 6:46. So at 6:47 the relay should automatically turn on, and for this the Wi-Fi must be connected with the ESP01. You can see the lamp automatically turn on as 6:47. So you can add any type of automation using Blynk automation. Now I will place this complete circuit inside the switch box to avoid any loose connection as per this circuit diagram. As I said, the switch is connected in parallel with the relay as there is no extra GPIO available, so the ESP01 is not connected with the switch. So you cannot monitor the real-time feedback while controlling the appliances with switch. So if there is no Wi-Fi, the appliance will automatically turn off. Then you can use the switch to control the appliances manually, and ESP01 will automatically reconnect with the Wi-Fi if the Wi-Fi is available. To get the real-time feedback, you can use this type of PCB. I have already made a tutorial video on this PCB. You can find the link in the description. If you find this project helpful, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.